Okay, what we're going to do now is run a script on the ball so that every time the ball hits bat 1, player 1 receives 10 points, and every time the ball hits bat 2, player 2 receives 10 points. So we're going to be making the variables change during the course of the game. And this is all dependent on what the ball touches. So if we select the ball script, what we want here is the change score by block. So let's say every time somebody hits the ball they receive 10 points, not 1. So first of all we'll change that number 1 to 10, and we also need a similar one, so that's for player 1. We need one that is for player 2 as well. So this is the script we've already written for the ball. So if it's touching players, the bat of player 1 is going to go in the opposite direction, 180 degrees from its original direction of travel, but it's also now going to change player 1's score by 10. And similarly, if we drop this one in, so that if it touches the bat of player 2, player 2's score is going to be increased, not by 1, that's not very fair, is it? By 10. Okay, so let's just demonstrate this. In fact, I'm just going to slow it down a little bit so that we can see it in action. There we go. So ball coming towards player 1, bang. Player 1's got 10 points. 10-0 at the moment. Oops, player 1 wins 10-0. Okay, that's not brilliant. Let's see if the script works for the ball when it hits player 2's bat. There we go, player 2's just received 10 points. Okay, never mind. Anyway, so there we go, it works. When it hits the bat of player 1, receives 10 points, and the same for player 2. I think this particular version I've done is not fantastic. The bat's a little bit on the small side. I could increase the size of the bat just to make the game perhaps a bit more playable, but the scripts are all working anyway, and that's the main thing.